Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be using a couple of summer bronzy palettes, and one of them are going to be from Morphe. I really love this 35G bronze goals palette. It's everything. And I'm going to be taking the nice, when I say I love this palette, let me just say I really love this palette. I'm going to take that nice bronze brown color and I'm going to be applying it to the crease, pointing out very well. I misplaced the sheet where it has all the names listed, and I'm like so mad, but it's still a gorgeous palette with or without it. And I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics. This is the 16 color eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with that nice orange shade. This is one of my new favorite shades from the palette, you guys. And I'm glad that I got this because this palette is everyday. It's very, very wearable. And you can come up with so many looks with this palette. I really like it. So I just applied it to the crease up under the dark shade from the palette. Actually, the dark brown from the palette. And I'm kind of layering it. And then I'm going to be cutting the crease using Reese place because then I'm going to go in to the Ruby Kisses eyeshadow in Center of Attention. I'm going to apply that red in the inner corner and all the way halfway at the beginning of the lid. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the shade called Genesis from Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to apply it right next to the shade, the Center of Attention. Then I'm going to be going back in, and I'm also going to be cleaning up, making sure there's no harsh lines. And then after that, I'm going to be making sure that I repack the shades if I've seen any shades went missing. I'm just going to reapply them. And I'm going to go in with the gray from the Morphe, same palette I've been using in this tutorial. I'm just going to be applying it right next to the Center of Attention in the shade from, actually not Center of Attention, the Genesis shade from Ruby Kisses. going in with the glitter palette from LA Colors, and I'm going to take that gold and I'm going to apply it right in the center. Then I'm going to apply some lashes, and then after I apply lashes, and I'm going to be coming back with a full face, and then that should complete the look, you guys.